This is a funny one. Well, it's not really funny, but a part of it is funny. So, the situation at the U.S. Capitol, the storming of the Capitol. I mean, obviously you know about it.
That's the funny part.
Obviously you know about it. No, it's not funny. It's not funny. Honestly, actually, at first, it kind of came across that way when you saw it.
It's just so ridiculous.
It seemed like that.
Outrageous.
But then as time passed or as more information, you saw
the seriousness
some of the scenes
situation.
and stuff, and you're like, oh yeah, so people died and one of the people was shot and a police officer died. And you're like, oh man. And you see the clips of like the police officer running and stuff. Yeah, it was a serious thing. And now people are trying to track down certain participants that were a part of that storming of the Capitol, and somehow sneaker internet got involved. And
okay.
you can never underestimate sneaker internet, the sneaker culture. You know what I'm saying?
Sneaker internet.
You know what I mean? It's like a whole, it's its own thing.
Yeah.
It's just a strong group. I don't know. They're
passionate.
Their enthusiasm is significant when it comes to sneakers. Well, of course, the sneaker guys, they recognized a very rare pair of Nikes on one of these U.S. Capitol stormers that they think can help identify the individual now that the police and law enforcement are seeking information about that individual. Are you following this? So they spotted a pair of sneakers. Now, these sneakers are, what are they called? The Air Max Speed Turf. Probably have it in the article right there. You can catch an image right there. Now, this guy, by the way, isn't just one of the stormers. This guy was suspected of actually placing a pipe bomb.
Oh.
So that was,
In
I
the
think,
backpack.
I believe they defused it and they found it or whatever, but that's obviously another level as well to it. But people who saw the images immediately recognized the rare sneakers on there. It's a $50,000 reward for this individual if someone can track him down, and they think that one of the big clues is the fact that he's wearing the Nike Air Max Speed Turf. So those shoes are originally, hopefully, maybe you can just scroll up a little bit or down. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Air Max Speed Turf was a style from the mid-1990s, reintroduced in 2012, and then more versions in 2018, including 2 color combinations that might be the shoes seen on the suspect. Unlike widely distributed styles such as Nike's popular Air Force One, there aren't millions of pairs on the street around the U.S. And while they are available on resale sites such as eBay and StockX, they aren't traded with the same fervor as sought-after styles such as Air Jordan. So there. It's a rare sneaker. Can we get an image of the sneaker itself, not in this picture? Maybe on StockX or somewhere else. Max Speed Turf. I also am curious what the price is right now. Did it go up after the news story? Wow, that is a rare sneaker.
That looks cool.
You're going to notice that sneaker. Oh, good. Now you're saying good choice in sneakers to the guy?
He has taste, I guess. Or she.
It is kind of a cool looking sneaker. Anyway, it is flashy as well. I think it's available in a couple different colors, but just judging from the design with the big Velcro strap, it is a pretty noticeable sneaker choice. What's it going for right now on StockX? $130. Yeah, it's up a little bit. It's up $15 on the latest sale. The Air Max Speed Turf. Yeah, you can track. That's the whole point of StockX. You can track the value of the shoe over time. But yeah, 54 sales in the last 12 months. That's a rare sneaker, Willie Do.
So these 54
Whoa.
potentially
Whoa.
one of
Detective Do.
the, stormers.
Detective Do on the case.
Yeah.
What a weird way to go about it. But look at that. The sneaker guys, they might solve their very first case over here. They got some time on their hands in between trying to score, on the apps and like, I missed
Might
that.
as well solve the mystery.
Yeah, you might as well just be detectives on the side, sneaker detectives. It's not the first time. People that will do the same with the footprint. You heard like the footprint story leading to arrests because people are able to identify the exact footwear. Or the other one, which I remember when I was a kid, I think it was on an episode of Cops where someone's trying to get away with the LA gear with the lights. Remember the light up? Was it
Yeah,
the LA
yeah.
Gear? Was that the name of the company that had the light up shoes?
LA Gear.
I think it was, but the name of the shoe wasn't LA Gear, was it? Do I have this right? Am I mixing two things over here? No, it wasn't LA Gear. It was, LA Lights, which was from the company LA Gear. I don't know. Yeah, right there. LA Gear, light up with the light up heel. I think that's what it was.
Okay.
Anyway, I can tell you're riveted right now at my light up shoe story. But yeah, sometimes the sneakers break the case wide open.
Yeah.